What's up guys, Goofy Bastard here, and I'm back. So last year I made a couple of videos about cheap LED headlights, and I had no luck with it whatsoever. So as you can see, I went to a Daymaker style headlight, and I'm gonna get on the bike and I'm gonna talk about it. So, the Daymaker style headlight. Yes, it is much more pricier than the cheap LED bulbs you find on Amazon, but you get what you pay for, as I found out. I tried to go that route, and it didn't quite work for me. So, there is a company called Engineer Adapters that make the adapters for not only the headlight but for the auxiliary lights as well. Now I only did the headlight to start off with because yeah, the budget's kind of broke right now, and yeah, so I only went with the LED headlight, or the Daymaker headlight. I only went that way. There's a lot of stop signs on this road. So the company's called Engineer Adapters, and they started out making the speaker pods, the radio adapter to use an aftermarket radio, and you know, the wiring harnesses, and they also sell the SWIRC kit to be able to use the handlebar controls with the new radio. So I have used them in the past for all that. So I decided to use them with that. They sell the headlight, the mounting, everything. So I said, let's do it. So I ordered it, comes in the mail, and as I'm putting it together, like the instructions say, I noticed that something ain't right here. So found out I was sent the wrong ring for the headlight. And then 2 days later, I found out I was sent the wrong headlight as well. So I reached out to them, I let them know what was going on. Brandy, the guy the owner of the company, he reached back and said, hey, he's going to send me the return authorization, and he's going to send me out a new stuff. So then about a week or so went by, and I didn't hear from him. So I reached out again. It took a couple days for him to get back to me. Finally got back to me and told me, sorry, he was on a plane back from vacation. I didn't know he was on vacation. And that he'll get in touch with me the next day. Well, he got in touch with me like 3 days later, but neither here nor there. So he sent me the correct ring. He sent me the correct headlight and put it in, and it's an easy install. I wasn't going to do an install on it because he has his own install on his YouTube page, you know, so there's no reason for me to cover it since he covered it already. So yeah, eventually I will get the auxiliary lights. Like I said, the budget just wasn't there for it. So, and then like he does all this stuff, and I've been very pleased with his product. It's worked for me big time. So I've been very pleased with the way everything turned out. So if you are a Vaquero owner or a Voyager owner, or I think he makes them for other bikes, you might have to check his website, the headlight stuff. Check it out. If you're looking to go to a Daymaker style headlight, that's the best way to go. You ain't got to modify anything, you ain't got to do anything else. So alright guys, So until next time, stay safe, love one another, peace.